Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14, Introduction to Negative Numbers. Now there are some situations in which we use the concept of opposite. That is, in that situation we will use negative numbers. Okay, for example, let us take a profit and loss. Here profit we will denote it by a positive number. Okay, profit is shown by a positive number and loss is shown by a negative number. So for denoting or for showing loss, we will use negative number. Okay, now temperature. Temperature above 0 degrees Celsius. We will show that by a positive number, and below 0 degrees Celsius it is shown by a negative number. Okay, next a comparison of height from sea level, that is height and depth. Okay, height and depth, they are opposite. So height above the sea level we will show that by a positive number, and depth below the sea level, that is shown by a negative number. Okay, so in order to represent loss, in order to represent temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, in order to represent depth, we will use negative numbers. Okay, and profit and loss, these are opposites of each other. Temperature below 0 degrees Celsius and temperature above 0 degrees Celsius, they are opposites. Now height and depth, they are opposite. So in the concept of opposites, we will use negative numbers. One we will represent by positive number, the opposite we will represent by a negative number. Okay. Next topic is representation of integers on number line. Okay, so integers we can represent it on a number line. So in order to represent integers on number line, first draw a line. Draw a straight line like this. Okay, and at the end, at the both end, it has, this line will have left end and right end. So at both end you can mark an arrow mark. Okay, what does that mean? It will go infinitely. Okay, that's why we are marking this arrow marks on left side. Left side also numbers will go infinitely. Right side also numbers will go infinitely. That's why we are marking these two arrow marks on left and right ends. Okay, now at the middle you can mark 0. Okay, 0 will come on the middle of number line. Next step is mark equal distances on left as well as right side of 0. Okay, you can see here, this is the right side of 0 and this is the left side of 0. So mark equal distances on left as well as the right side of 0. So you can use a ruler. Here you can mark at equal distances. You can mark points like this. Now here also on the left of 0 also mark points at equal distances. Okay, now at the right side of 0 you can mark positive numbers. Okay, positive numbers start from 1. That is all natural numbers. So 1 here, next to 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It will go on infinitely, it will go. Okay, now here at the left side of 0 you can mark negative numbers. So this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, -4, -5. Now in this way we can mark every integer on a number line. Okay, any integer we can mark on a number line by doing like this. Okay, next, ordering of integers. Here this, as we move towards right, okay, this is right side, you know, this is right, this is left. As we are moving to right, the value of the number increases. Okay, so here starting from -5 we are moving to right side. Okay, so if we are arranging this in ascending order, we can write -5 first, because -5 is the smallest integer here. Okay, -5 is less than -4, less than -3, less than -2, less than -1, less than 0, less than 1, less than 2, less than 3, less than 4, less than 5, less than 6. Okay, if we are arranging these given numbers, given integers in ascending order, means this will be the order. -5 will be the smallest integer here. Okay, and 6 will be the largest integer. That is, as we are moving towards right, the value of the number or value of integer increases. Okay, now if you are comparing two negative numbers, -5 and -3, here which one will be greater or which one will be smaller? How can we find that? On a number line you can see -5 is on the left side and -3 on the right side of -5. Okay, -5 ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ആണ് -3 ഇവിടെ നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ വരുന്നത്. -5 ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ഇത്, ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ഇവിടെ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദ നമ്പർ വിച്ച് ഇസ് ഒക്കറിങ് ഓൺ ദി റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് എ ഗിവൺ നമ്പർ, ഒരു നമ്പറിന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലാണ് ദ അതർ നമ്പർ വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് നമ്പർ വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ദി നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, -5 ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ വരുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ -5നേക്കാൾ വലുതായിരിക്കും. -5 ന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് വരുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ -5നേക്കാൾ ചെറുതായിരിക്കും. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ കോൺസെപ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ -3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -5 ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ആണ്. സോ വിച്ച് വൺ വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ? -3 വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ. So we can write -5 less than -3. Okay, now let's see -1 and -2. Here which one will be greater? -1, it is lying right of -2. -1 ഉം -2 കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ -2ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലാണ് -1 വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ -1ന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് -2. ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് വേ ഓൾസോ വി ക്യാൻ തിങ്ക്. സോ വിച്ച് വൺ വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ? റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ വരുന്നത് -1 ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, യു ക്യാൻ സീ ഓൺ ദി നമ്പർ ലൈൻ -2ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് -1 വരുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ -1 വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ. ബട്ട് if you are comparing 5 and 3, which one will be greater? We know 5 is greater than 3. But in case of negative, if it is negative means it will be opposite. Okay, -5 will be less than -3, but 5 will be greater than 3. Similarly, -1 greater than -2, but 1 is less than 2. ഓക്കെ, മൈനസിന്റെ കേസ് വരുമ്പോൾ നേരെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളതായിരിക്കും വരാം. നൗ ഇഫ് യു ആർ കമ്പയറിംഗ് വൺ നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആൻഡ് വൺ പോസിറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ, -5 and 5, which one will be greater? Clearly, positive numbers are on the right side and the negative numbers are on the left side. So, positive numbers will be greater. Okay, positive numbers, every positive number is greater than any negative number. Okay, all positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Now in case of 0, comparing -2 and 0. Which one will be greater here? You can see on the number line 0 is lying right of -2. -2 ന്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ആണ് 0 വരുന്നത്. നമ്പർ ലൈനിന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, 0 is lying to the right of -2. So 0 is the greater integer. Okay, so -2 less than 0. Every negative number is less than 0, we can see. Okay, every negative integer is less than 0 and every positive integer. If you are comparing a negative number and 0 means 0 will be greater. If you are comparing a negative integer or negative number and positive number means this positive number will be greater. But if you are comparing two negative integers means we can do actually we can see which is coming to the right of that number. ഏതിൻ്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ വരുന്നു എന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കിയിട്ട് വേണം അതിൽ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ലെസ് ദാൻ നമുക്ക് സൈൻ ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഹിയർ നോട്ട് ഇസ് ഗിവൻ. First one, every integer has its successor and predecessor. You know what is successor and predecessor? Okay, so every integer means every negative number, 0 and positive number has its successor and predecessor. Now second one, every positive integer is greater than every negative number. The negative integer that we know. Positive numbers are lying right of negative integers. In the number line you can see positive numbers are on the right of negative numbers. So every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Now third one, 0 is less than every positive integer and 0 lies towards the left side of all positive integers. If you are comparing 0 and positive integer means which one will be greater? Positive integer. Okay, and 0 is lying left of positive integers. You can see on the number line. 0യും ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജറും കൂടി കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യാന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ആയിട്ട് വരാം. ഇവിടെ നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ 0 പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സ് മീൻസ് 1 2 3 4 5 എക്സെട്ര അതിൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡാണ് 0 കിടക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ 0 വിൽ ബി സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് ഓർ പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സ് വിൽ ബി ഗ്രേറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, next fourth one, 0 is bigger than every negative integer as 0 lies towards the right side of all negative integers. So 0 is less than every positive integer, but 0 is greater than every negative integer. 0 പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ ചെറുതായിരിക്കും, ബട്ട് 0 നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ വലുതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, here you can see 0 lies to right side of negative integers. Negative integers-ന്റെ ഒക്കെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലായിട്ടാണ് 0 വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, so 0 is greater than every negative integer and 0 is less than every positive integer. Okay, next, greater the number, lesser is its opposite. That we know. 5 is greater, but -5 is the smallest one. Okay, if you are comparing 4 and -4, 4 is the greater one and -4 is the smaller one. Okay, greater is the magnitude. As we go towards the right side, the value of the integer increases. But as we go towards the right side, the value of integer decreases. റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് പോകുന്തോറും നമ്പറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ ഇൻക്രീസ് ആയിക്കൊണ്ട് വരും. നമുക്കറിയാം 5 6 7 8 9 10 അപ്പോൾ ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്ത് വരികയാണ്. ബട്ട് ആസ് വി ഗോ ടുവേർഡ്സ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് -5 -6 -7 -8 -10, വാല്യൂ ഡിക്രീസ് ആയിക്കൊണ്ടാണ് വരുന്നത്. സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് ഇൻറ്റിജർ ചെറിയ നമ്പേഴ്സാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, sixth one, a number farther from 0 on the right side has larger value. So we know as we go towards the right side, the value of number increases. റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്തോറും നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് പോകുന്തോറും വാല്യൂ ഇൻക്രീസ് ആയി വരും. സോ സീറോന്ന് ഏറ്റവും ഫാർ ആയിട്ട് കിടക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ളത്, ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് ലാർജർ വാല്യൂ. Similarly, seventh one, a number farther from 0 on the left side has the smaller value. So, as we move towards the left, the value of integer decreases. 0 ന്ന് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ the value of integer decreases. So, ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ 0 ന്ന് ഏറ്റവും അകലത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിനായിരിക്കും സ്മോളർ വാല്യൂ. ഓക്കെ. For example, let us take this number line. So here 8 is far from 0 on the right. So it has larger value. Similarly, minus 8 is far from 0 on the left side. So minus 8 has the smaller value. Okay. Here some more notes are there. Negative of a number means the same number with opposite sign. Okay, so negative of 5. What will be negative of 5? It is minus 5. Okay, if before a number no sign is written, then it is positive. So 5 means it is positive 5. Okay, no sign is there before this 5, so it is positive. Now 0 is neither positive nor negative. So negative of 0 is 0 itself. 0, it is not included in positive integers or negative integers. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So negative of 0 means it is 0 itself. Okay. Now exercise 14a, first question. Which number in each of the following pairs is bigger? A, 2 minus 2. So here 2 positive integer minus 2 negative integer. So which one will be greater here? 2. 2 is the bigger number. Okay, next 3 minus 5. 3 is positive, minus 5 is negative. So 3 is the bigger number here. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Okay, next minus 4, 0. So negative integer and 0. Every negative integer is less than 0. So which one is bigger here? 0. Okay, 0 is greater than every negative integer. In other way, we can say negative integer. Every negative integer is less than 0. 0 എല്ലാ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സിനേക്കാൾ വലുതാണ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ in other words, how can we say എല്ലാ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സും 0നേക്കാൾ ചെറുതാണ്. Okay, now minus 1 minus 4. So here minus 1. When we see the number line, minus 1 here, minus 4 here. So minus 4 to the right of minus 4, minus 1 is lying. Minus 4 in the right side ആണ് minus 1 വരുന്നത്. Okay, so which one will be greater here? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1. We know that 1 is less than 4. But in case of minus 1 and minus 4, my opposite case we have to take. Minus 1 will be greater than minus 4. Okay. Next minus 4 minus 8. Which one will be greater here? Minus 4. Okay. If we compare 4 and 8 means 4 will be less than 8. But minus 4 and minus 8. If you are comparing minus 4 and minus 8 means minus 4 will be greater. Now minus 15 minus 18. Which one will be greater here? Minus 15. Okay. Do the G and H as homework. Second one, which number in each of the following pairs is smaller? So which one is smaller you need to find. Minus 4, 0. So negative number and 0. So which one will be smaller here? Negative number. Because every negative number is less than 0. Okay. 1 minus 2. One positive integer and negative integer. We know every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Okay, so negative integer minus 2 will be smaller here. Okay, now 16 minus 7. Clearly negative integer will be smaller. Now 0, 5. This is symbol. Which one is smaller here? 0. Okay. minus 15, 4. So negative integer and positive integer, among this negative integer will be smaller. Minus 10, minus 6. So here two negative integers. We know 10 is greater than 6. But in case of negative integers, minus 10 and minus 6, which one will be greater? Minus 6 will be greater. Here we need to mark which one is smaller. So here comparing this, which is smaller? Minus 10. Okay, minus 10, minus 6. Minus 10 to the right of minus 10, minus 6 will come. Number line minus 10 in the right side and minus 6 vara. Okay, so minus 10 is the smaller number. Now G and H do as homework. Third question, use a number line to write the following integers in ascending order. So you have to draw number line and mark these numbers. Then you have to arrange the numbers or integers in ascending order. So A, minus 6, 5, 0, minus 5, 4, minus 1, 2 and minus 7. So first you have to draw a number line and mark the given integers. Okay, so first draw number line. You can use a scale to draw number line. First draw a straight line. Mark arrow marks or draw arrow marks at both the ends. At the middle you can mark 0. Now to the left and right side you can mark equal distances. Like this. Okay, you can use ruler. To the left also you can mark. Now you can mark positive integers to the right side of 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7. Okay. Now to the left you can mark negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You can extend your number line as needed. Minus 6, minus 7. Okay. Now mark. So minus 6. You can see here. This is minus 6. So you can put a cross or darken. Okay. In that way you can mark the given integers. This is minus 6. Next 5. So where is 5? Here. 5 means it is positive 5. So mark. Mark here. Next 0. So here is 0. Next minus 5. So here is minus 5. Okay. Next 4. 4 means it is positive 4. So here. Next minus 1. You can see minus 1 here. Next 2. 2 means positive 2. Next minus 7. So here is minus 7. Okay. So we mark the given integers on the number line. Now we need to arrange this in ascending order. That is simple. Starting from left side you can start. So minus 7 is less than minus 6 less than minus 5. Only marked numbers only we need to write here. Mark the numbers matra ezhudiyal madi, ella integers avashyamilla. Less than, next minus 1, less than 0, less than 2, less than 4, less than 5. This is the ascending order of given integers. Minus 7 less than, minus 6 less than, minus 5 less than, minus 1 less than, 0 less than, 2 less than, 4 less than, 5. Okay. Next, fourth question. Use a number line to write the following integers in descending order. In that A, 22, 16, 0, 5, 2, minus 7 and minus 12. So here you have to draw a number line and mark these given integers. And then you have to arrange this in their descending order. Okay, from larger number to smaller number you have to arrange. So 22, 16, 0, 5, 2, minus 7 and minus 12. Here larger numbers are coming. So since larger numbers are coming means you can adjust your number line. Okay, in small distances you can mark the numbers. Okay, but it should be equal. At equal distances you can mark the numbers. Okay, so here you can see minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, 9. All integers are marked at equal distances. After drawing number line, you can mark equal distances and then you can write positive integers to the right of 0 and negative integers to the left of 0. Now next step is marking the given integers on the number line. So 22 it is coming here. Okay, you can mark here. This is 22. Okay, next 16 is coming here. You can mark. Next 0. So here is 0. Then 5. So here is 5. Then 2 here. Then minus 7. So here you can see minus 7. Now minus 12. This is minus 12. Okay. Now arranging the given integers in descending order. From where we should start? From the right side you have to start. Right side you have marked 22. So 22 you have to write first. 22 greater than, next 16 greater than, then 5 greater than, 2 greater than, 0 greater than, minus 7 greater than, last minus 12. So this is the descending order of the given numbers. 22 greater than, 16 greater than, 5 greater than, 2 greater than, 0 greater than, minus 7 greater than, minus 12. 22 is the greater number and minus 12 is the smaller number here. Okay. Fifth question. Write the negatives of the following numbers. A, minus 12. So here if minus negative integer is given means its negative will be positive integer. Okay. Negatives of the following numbers means its opposites you have to write. Okay. So minus 12, its negative will be positive 12. Positive 12, just write a 12. Okay, no need to write a plus 12. 12 means it is positive 12. Now 6, negative of 6 it will be minus 6. Negative of 0, I told you 0 is neither positive nor negative. So negative of 0 is 0 itself. Okay. Now D, minus 7. Negative of minus 7 it is positive 7. That is 7. Now E, negative of minus 4. It is positive 4. Okay. Do the remaining F, G, H as homework. Sixth question, mark the following integers on a number line. So here some integers are given. You have to mark that on a number line. So let us mark these integers on one number line itself. Okay. So first A, minus 6. So here you can see minus 6. Okay, draw a number line, mark positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 on the number line at equal distances. Now marking minus 6 here. Next 0. So here is 0. Then minus 9. You can see minus 9 here. Then minus 2. So this is minus 2. Then 12. So here 12 will come. Positive 12. Okay. Next minus 15. So here. Then 6. You can see 6 here. Now minus 4. Here is minus 4. Okay. So we marked all the integers on the number line. So this much for this class. Thank you.